my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a self-care routine. Now I've never done these self-care routines on my channel, but since a lot of you guys are just finishing up with your exams, I decided to do these so that you can like get a time to relax and calm yourself and get into that serene environment. So that's why I decided to do this video today, just for you guys. Now these are some things that I usually do after my exams end so that I'm my calm self. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm in my bathroom right now, and the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take care of our skin. So the best way to do this is by using masks. So I'm very excited to share with you guys a new mask that I've been trying, and I'm going to try this in front of you guys in this video. So yeah, so before putting any mask, it's very important that you should wash your hands and your face, because you don't want any germs on your skin, on your face while when you have your mask on. So I'm going to wash my hands first. As quickly as I go through putting this mask, I would also like to tell you guys some important key points about it. This mask helps in reducing acne, and it is obviously made up of all the natural ingredients as all Mama Earth products. It is also supposed to brighten and tighten your skin. So that also rhymes, but it's really cool how amazingly it works, and it will obviously give you an amazing glow once it is done. So if you guys want to use this mask and get amazing clear skin, just use my code Zoya20 on the Mama Earth website, and you can buy this mask for 20% off. Face mask on my skin, and now I've kind of become a pro on reviewing charcoal masks, because the only masks I ever try are charcoal masks, because the charcoal masks are always amazing. So yeah, it's for healthy and glowing skin. If you guys would like to buy this, the link is always in the description, and yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm gonna wait for this to dry up, and while I do that, I'm gonna read a book. Now, I would suggest reading some light poetry or motivating books on a self-care day. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite books to read on self-care days. Just remember that for a soothing, calm shower, you just have to put a lot of like calm music. Maybe have some scents around, it all helps. But if you're having a bath, definitely put some scented candles. And yeah, let's just hop into the shower, and I'll see you guys after that. So guys, when it comes to eating good, I'm not the best at it, but all I try to do is cut on junk food and eat lots of fruits and green veggies. Well, in this short, I'm eating fruits because that's something you should do every day. I just like to create a plate full of fruits, all that I find in my house. So that's what I do. Sleeping well is, I think, one of the most important things that most of us cut on because it's just easy to. So after exams, my number one tip is to just give yourself time to sleep for as long as you can, so that you just get rid of all those dark circles, and yeah.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.